This video is on the asset maintenance. In order to do the asset maintenance, you need to select the asset first and click on the maintenance. So the URL, you can see which item code you are going to assign the maintenance. So in order to do the email configuration, in order to do the maintenance notification, you need to do the email configuration. If not done, all the buttons will be disabled. So I'm going to do the email configuration now. So click on new. I select the table name for the configuration. So here I'm using asset maintenance, and any title you can add here. Add the recipient's email. Here give the sender's detail using the Gmail server, so I'm giving the details. Enable. And update here. So always remember to tick this in order to get the send the email in the background. Okay, you will now receive all the mail notifications. Now I go back to the item listing, and I take the item maintenance page. Here all the buttons are enabled. Now I create a new maintenance for the item 525001. It's here. So here you add the email address to whom you want to send the notification. Here I've added my email address. You can add the suppliers here and add recipient. So if you have any more, you can select from here the list. I don't have any right now, so I keep it blank. And here I'm not changing anything here. This is by default today's date, so I keep one notification for today, and this one is every day you will get notification. For by default it's one, and I keep all same, and I update here. Okay, I want to add more copies for the same item, so I select and click on copy. I'm creating a few more copies here. Okay, one more. Okay, now I have 4 notifications on the same item. I select the second one. I'm going to edit here. So the email, I keep every detail same. Here I change the date to 24. Okay, I send 2. So every 2 days you will get the notification by email, and I update here. This one I keep it after 10 days. I update here. This one I keep for the next month, any date. Okay, now I got 4 notifications. So here I apply some color. By default it's white, so red. I save here. So this means green for notification less than or equal to 5 days, and blue color for notifications less than or equal to 10 days, and red color for notification less than or equal to 15 days. So these are my notifications, which the first two is within 5 days. Let me edit here. Keep more than 10 days. Yeah, this is 15 days one, red color. So now I want to, okay, now go back to the item listing page. So if you want, there is one, you want from here, if you click on the copy maintenance, you can apply all the notification applied to this item can be copied to any other. Right now I'm copying to 4, from 5 to 5001 I'm copying to 4. I copy here, copy inserted. So now if I click on the maintenance, this is for item 525001. We have 4 notifications in these intervals, and these are the notification days. Now if you want to see all the notification, I'm changing the URL here. Yeah, so right now we have 8 items. The first 4 items for the item 525001, and the last 4 we copied. Now if I check the email, this is how you'll get the notification. So that's how you do the asset maintenance.